Hey, good evening, or, well, hello. I don't know when you're watching this, so hi. Dan here at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at TelaDoc here. Now, this is a stock that's had a heck of a run. You can see, and it's a typical thing that you'll see in some stocks that have these big runs. You know, they break out fairly orderly, you know, the way, at least, you know, is in relation to the way it's trading now. But so you see this stock, it was very, very directional, you know, broke up and then just most days just kept moving higher. And then as the stock attracts more and more attention, the swings get more violent because retail traders are rushing in to just buy the stock. I got to get this stock. And larger firms, of course, have been in it for quite a while, and so they're kind of selling into that. And you can see this, like you've seen this in like Zoom video, the same kind of thing, you know, a big breakout here, a nice move, and then the stock suddenly gets all wild, and now it's back to the 50-day moving average, whereas, you know, just a month or two ago, the 50-day moving average was nowhere in sight if you're sitting on the price. It's way below. So, you know, you'll get these stocks like this that it looks like the best times or the best days are behind it, and they very well may be, but there's still trades to be had. And so we'll look at these two. Like if you look at TelaDoc, big zigzag, finally back down to this level and rebound off of 160. Well, are you seeing a pattern take shape here? You see the stock printing this kind of channel here. So, you know, you're buying this stock and then you keep a stop, give it about 8% to begin with, a typical thing. And then Zoom, you can look at a similar thing. Now, this is a really steep sell-off, a gap and then a crap. I mean, this is a steep sell-off, but we've seen these steep sell-offs before here like this, and then the stock runs up to the upside as well. So I'm just saying it's going to be harder for a stock to have a big run when there's so many losers right behind it, you know, folks that bought the stock literally this week. That are down a big bunch of money. And so I'd look for this actually to run higher. I just don't know how high. So, you know, you're buying the stock now and then you keep a stop either just below the 50-day moving average if you really want to keep it tight, below today's price of 132.67, make it like 131, something like that. So anyway, that's all I got for you. A couple ideas for trades. And members, check out the weekend update. And also, we're going to be trading live Tuesday morning. See you then.